Are hormone imbalances affecting your energy, mood, sleep, or overall well-being? At Patients Medical in New York City, we focus on you, your story, your symptoms, and your path to feeling better again. Bioidentical Hormone Replacement Therapy, also called BHRT, is a personalized medical treatment that helps restore hormonal balance using hormones structurally identical to those your body naturally makes. Hormones regulate everything from energy levels to mood, metabolism, sleep, and more. But when they're out of balance, everyday life can feel harder. BHRT works to reestablish harmony in your hormones, tailored to your needs. At Patients Medical, our approach begins with a comprehensive evaluation. Your symptom history, lifestyle, sleep, stress, nutrition, and advanced hormone testing, so we can uncover the root cause of your imbalance and build a treatment plan just for you. BHRT may help individuals experiencing fatigue, low libido, mood swings, weight changes, sleep disturbances, and more by bringing hormones back into balance with personalized dosing. Ready to start your journey to better health? Request your consultation today. Call 212-794-8800. Email info@patientsmedical.com. Our medical center is located at Patients Medical PC, 1148 5th Avenue, Suite 1B, New York, New York, 10128. We offer in-person and telemedicine appointments for your convenience. At Patients Medical, your health is our priority. Let's find solutions together.